raining on Sunday. That's every once in a while we'll get some rain. That's cool. But most days out of the year, this is it. Literally clear skies, warm weather, beautiful sunshine, and every once in a while it'll rain. It'll look cool. But you know, it's a problem for filmmakers because if your scene is supposed to be snowing or raining but the sun is shining, you're going to have to create the weather. I'm going to show you how we can do that. Everybody look to your left-hand side. Welcome to Old Mexico. This is a filming location, but we're going to set it up right now as a weather demonstration. Check it out. Look, I'm going to hit these two buttons. Those two buttons are going to create thunder and lightning. The thunder is a soundtrack. Behind the speakers up top, the lightning that you're seeing over there is a strobe light, okay? Yeah, now check this out. Look, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hit these 3 buttons. And here it comes. It shoots the water up in the air. It falls right back down naturally, just like so. It could be a light drizzle or heavy downpour, but that's how we can create weather here in Hollywood. Okay, so guys, go ahead and get a picture. Get a little video, and watch what happens when I hit the red button. When I hit the red button, it'll turn off instantly because I'm controlling the weather. Oh, wait a minute. Boom, I hit that red button right there. It's not turning off. No, it won't turn off. Okay, guys, I'm going to do a quick reset because it won't. I'm going to reset the whole system for you guys. Just give me 1 second, okay? That will turn off. What's wrong? Why are you screaming? Oh my gosh, whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, okay, you guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, first off, watch out, first off, Oops,
yeah,
sorry,
I missed it.
My bad, I hit the wrong button. Take a look at your screens.
You can't outrun the wolf, can? Yeah, we'll see about that.
You want to hang on tight to everything. Backpacks, purses, camera bags, cell phones. If you have a camera and you want to take photos, you can totally do so, but do me a favor, guys. No flash photography, no video lights inside. Please stay seated at all times and put those 3D glasses on right about now. Glasses go on, and welcome to Skull Island. Here we go. Alright, you guys, glasses go on. Welcome to Skull Island. Don't be scared, Desiree. Don't be scared. Gosh, you guys, we're surrounded left and right hand side. These dinosaurs have spotted us. Leave us alone. Go away. Whoa. Guys, watch out on the right-hand side, He's coming right for us, watch out! Everybody look on the left-hand side, look back there at the fourth car, we're getting pulled off the cliff! Oh yeah, King Kong 360 3D. Big round of applause if you enjoyed that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Alright you guys, now that we're back outside, do me a favor, take those 3D glasses off, put them back around your neck or on top of your head. Don't wear them outside. you can also wipe the dinosaur spit off your face. So I hope you guys had a good time in there, but I know my first car was having a blast. Let's check in with everybody else. Cars 2, 3, and 4, make some noise. How you guys doing back there? You guys good? But we're a little surprised. So this is Sullivan's Truck Repair. This is where the guys from Fast and the Furious always have their race day after parties. Dom Toretto's car's outside. There it is. So we're going inside for a party. Do me a favor. No 3D glasses yet. Don't put your glasses on. I will tell you when to put them on. We're just going to hang out in here. We're going to wait for somebody to tell us what to do. Now I see some pretty cool cars. There's some music, but wait a minute. Where's everybody at? There's not one person in here. Are we in the right place? Hello? Anyone? We're here for the party? Okay, yeah, we're just gonna chill here, guys. Wait for someone to tell us what's going on. I don't know. Oh.
I am. They just got here. All right, I got it. Well, listen, hello, beautiful people. Particularly you right there missing the third row. How you doing? Good? My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy. It's all good. The more especially you right there in the third row.
All right, you guys, the doors are open. We're going to the actual dance party now. No flash photography, no video lights, no 3D glasses. Oh my gosh, whoa. Wow, hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for the invite. This is, oh my gosh, wait a minute. Mom? What are you doing? I'm so embarrassed right now. In front of all my friends.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that engine off!
Wait, what? Wait. Hang on, we just got here. We literally just got here. That's it? The party's over? Oh, come on.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Sure traced us. House can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting.
Uh-oh.
The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, roll your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Okay, so guys, this is what's going on. As you heard, there's some trouble up ahead, so that's why they had to stop the party. But for our safety, they're gonna hide our vehicle in this parking structure, so that's where we're going right now. So do me a favor, put those 3D glasses on right about now. You wanna stay seated at all times, no flash, no video lights. Here we go. Oh man, it does not sound good.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
Stop! Look out!
eat asphalt.
Don't think you're getting away! Find the drones!
Where you go, buddy?
Drones lining up the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Roman, don't shoot! Head from the bridge! Under construction!
Oh no, you guys put your hands
Everybody
up.
Ride or die.
Desiree! Yes, Fast and the Furious Supercharged. Woo! Great driving, Dixie. Great driving.
Good job, everybody. Protect the witness and the Now, my Mona Lisa got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all know it's bad. Appreciate it. They say the good of the family is stronger than it is.